Welcome to the Kids Ninja. Learn daily use words and spelling and have best experience. Hello kids, you can learn with me daily use words and spelling. F A T H E R Father. M O T H E R Mother. G R A N D F A T H E R Grandfather. G R A N D M O T H E R Grandmother. B R O T H E R Brother. S I S T E R Sister. T E A C H E R Teacher. F R I E N T Friend. S T A R Star. D I N N E R Dinner. B R E A K F A S T Breakfast. L U N C H Lunch. C L O U D Cloud. M O O N Moon. H O U S E House. S C H O O L School. C L A S S R O O M Classroom. B O O K Book. M O R N I N G Morning. E V E N I N G Evening. A F T E R N O O N Afternoon. Thank you for watching.